It's Bonnie. Happy Wednesday! Oh my gosh, I'm feeling super springy today. I painted my nails pink and my background changed up a little bit, and I got really amazing news for my channel. I am now on the ColourPop PR list. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I have been using ColourPop cosmetics for years. I'm actually wearing the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer holiday collection. I think that was was that last year? I think it was last year. I got the Muppets this year. They have so many awesome collabs. So I'm going to be doing a lot more ColourPop on my channel. Coco just walked by. So in my first PR box, they sent me the brand new Aurora Struck. Oh my goodness, you guys. This palette is stunning. I have to do a makeover. I'm going to start doing more makeovers for women like me who are over 50 because we do have different challenges on putting on makeup. I'm also going to do makeup for women who wear glasses, because a lot of us wear glasses too, and you want your makeup to show through your glasses and look pretty. I am a makeup fanatic. I have been since the 80s. Look at how beautiful the cover is on this. I'm going to open it up and take the plastic off. Oh my goodness. These shades are stunning. I cannot wait to dig into this and try all these purples. I'm a huge fan of metallics. It doesn't matter if you're 29 or 89, you can make a metallic eyeshadow work. I'm going to show you how. So they sent me that. I also got the Luxe Gloss in Blissful. Again, I'm really rocking the pink right now. I don't know. I'm just like, all of a sudden now, since Christmas came and went, I'm just really hot on pinks and greens. They sent me a brow pencil. I gotta do my brows. It's been a while since I worked on my brows. I have bangs that usually cover them up, but I want to experiment with wearing my hair a couple of different ways. So I got a brow pencil. I got the Level Up Lengthening Mascara. Oh my goodness. So I am a huge fan of mascara on over 50 eyes especially. I wear mascara every single day, and I'm lucky that I have fairly thick eyelashes for someone my age. I know a lot of people that becomes a problem. I cannot wear false eyelashes. I get them all over the place and I make a mess. But I do apply mascara every single day. I think it makes your eyes pop. I'm someone who, I don't know why, for whatever reason, by the way, this is the Pretty Fresh, this is the Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. I can't wait to try this. I am someone who feels my best when I am wearing makeup, which I think is kind of funny. Look at this. Because when I was younger, I didn't wear as much makeup. As a teenager, because we didn't have as much makeup. I think I had like 3 eyeshadows when I was 15, 16 years old, and I was obsessed with it, but I didn't wear it as much, you know, until I want to say I turned 45. And then all of a sudden I had like this makeup wake up, I want to call it. And then I didn't leave the house without makeup. I can't wait to try this concealer. This looks awesome. So now that I'm, you know, approaching 53, I feel like when I get up in the morning, it is a ritual. I'm going to do a video soon where I'm not wearing any makeup. No makeup. It's kind of scary for me. I'm going to come on camera and I will do my makeup on camera. And it's funny because sometimes I do go out without makeup on because I'm in a hurry. And I don't feel myself. I just don't feel as vibrant as when I put my makeup on. So it's just something that's helped me a lot, especially through the pandemic. you know, you just feel kind of dreary. You put a little makeup on, and all of a sudden, your mood goes a little higher. At least for me, that's always been the case. So when I got on the ColourPop PR list, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited! I cannot wait to share a lot of their products with you. ColourPop has always been one of my favorite makeup companies, especially for their eyeshadow. I love their eyeshadow. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to be doing more with ColourPop. I'm so excited. Thank you to ColourPop for sending me these products and adding me to your PR list. We'll see what new looks I can come up with. Anyway, thank you as always for watching. I will see you guys soon. Bye bye.